Welcome to Professor Green Products, Frequently Asked Questions. I will cover key aspects of the Professor Green product range. This is a helpful guide if you are new to Professor Green products. What is the primary purpose of Professor Green Terra Vega? Terra Vega is designed to provide essential nutrients during the growth period of plants. It ensures effective energy capture from the sun and nutrient transport within the plant. It contains calcium and nitrogen, along with important trace elements such as boron, copper, iron, manganese, molybdenum, and zinc. These nutrients support photosynthesis and the overall development of the plant. How should I use Professor Green Terra Vega? Shake well before use and follow the dosage instructions provided in the schedule. Mix 250 to 500 milliliters with 100 liters of water and ensure that the mixture is applied evenly. Always refer to the specific feeding chart for optimal results. What is Professor Green Terra Floris used for? Terra Floris is a product that complements Terra Vega by ensuring complete nutrition for plants during the flowering stage. It supports the transport of nutrients and enhances the photosynthetic process, helping plants transition smoothly from growth to flowering. What are the benefits of using Professor Green Roots? Professor Green Roots stimulates root development, promoting the formation of healthy white roots. The high phosphorus content, combined with added trace elements, ensures a strong underground growth foundation, which is vital for maximizing plant yield. It works well in both hydroponic and soil systems. How can I enhance flowering with Professor Green products? To enhance flowering, use Professor Green Hulk Bud during the blooming phase. It stimulates flower site formation and improves the quality of flowers. For best results, combine Hulk Bud with PK Booster to promote harder, fuller, and larger fruits during the final phase. What is the function of Professor Green Enzyme? Enzyme is used to clean the root zone by breaking down organic molecules such as cellulose and polysaccharides. It is especially effective in hydroponic systems with inert substrates like rockwool or cocoa peat. The product ensures that roots remain clean and healthy throughout the growth cycle. How does Professor Green Regulator protect plants? Regulator is a concentrated product that strengthens plants by improving nutrient absorption and promoting strong cell walls. It also protects plants from environmental stresses such as insects, cold, and heat, ensuring larger flowers and fruits. For more information, ask our specially trained AI chatbot to answer all your questions. Whether you need help with product usage, recommendations, or any other inquiries, our specially trained AI chatbot is here to assist you.